Breaking news, ngayong March 3, 2024 ay pumanaw ang isang veteranang aktres dito sa Pilipinas na nagngangalang Jacqueline Jose. Kung tatanungin ninyo kung anong kanyang cause of death, hanggang ngayon ay hindi pa rin nalalaman o hindi pa din-disclose sa public kung ano ang sanhi ng kanyang kinamatay. Rest in peace po. Renowned Filipino actress Jacqueline Jose, a virtual figure in Philippine cinema, has died at the age of 59. The cause of death remains undisclosed. Born Mary Jane Santa Ana Gac on October 21, 1964, Jose's illustrious career spanned several decades, during which he delivered unforgettable performance and garnered numerous awards. So, thank you po.